Rajiv is the brother of Arun. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. Arun is the son of Sonia. How is Rajiv related to Sunil? So quickly draw the family tree and be done with it, right? Rajiv is the brother of Arun. So Rajiv is the brother of Arun. So Rajiv is a male guy, brother of Arun, right? We are trying to draw the family tree as per the conventions that we follow. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. Now neither Sonia nor Sunil have been, plotted so far in the family tree, right? We have only got Rajiv and Arun. So we cannot use this statement immediately. Move to the next one. Arun is the son of Sonia. So we have already got Arun here. Now the next statement says Arun is the son of Sonia. So Arun is the son, male. He's the son of Sonia. So Sonia comes one generation above. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. Sonia is here. Sister of Sunil. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. So that's the family tree, right? Now you can verify all the three statements if you want. Rajiv is the brother of Arun. Rajiv is the brother of Arun, siblings. Sonia is the sister of Sunil, siblings. Again, Sonia is female. Sunil's gender is not known to us, right? So we cannot really comment on that. I'm sure most of you will say it's a male person, but you never know. Sunil can also be a name of a girl, right? So don't go by the names that you know, or don't try to identify the gender based on name. And the third statement is Arun is the son of Sonia. Arun is the son of Sonia. So clearly you have to plot them in a way that there is the generation gap reflects here. Sunil and Sonia are in top generation. Rajiv and Arun are in the bottom generation. Now how is Rajiv related to Sunil? How is Rajiv related to Sunil? So understand, Sunil's sister's son's brother. See, your son's brother is your son. So Sunil's sister's son. Your sister's son is your nephew. Yes or no? Sunil's nephew. Rajiv is Sunil's nephew. So how is Rajiv related to Sunil? Rajiv is the nephew of Sunil. Getting it? Rajiv is the nephew of Sunil. Alright. Next question. A mother is 5 times older than her daughter. After 5 years, she would be 3 times older than her daughter. Find the mother's present age. So just convert these English statements into mathematical equations, solve those two equations and get the answer. So let's assume mother's age is M and daughter's age is D. So mother is 5 times older than her daughter. 5 times older than her daughter. So what will be the equation? M equals to 5D. Mother is 5 times older than her daughter. M equals to 5D. After 5 years, she would be 3 times older than her daughter. Now, what happens to mother's age after 5 years? Mother's age after 5 years will be M plus 5. What will be daughter's age after 5 years? D plus 5. So after 5 years, she here refers to the mother. Mother would be 3 times older than her daughter. So M plus 5 will be equal to 3 times of D plus 5. 2 equations, 2 variables, solve and get the answer. He's asking us to find out mother's present age. So basically the question is M is equal to what? M is equal to what? So M is equal to 5D is one equation. M plus 5 equals to 3 times of D plus 5 is the other equation. Right? Now 2 ways to solve this question. I mean, you either solve the 2 equations, find out what is M and what is D and then mark the answer, or go by answer options. And I would prefer going by answer options. See, the one thing that I'm sure about is that answer cannot be 22 or 29. Without solving any equation, without doing any other paperwork, I can say that option 2 and option 4 are wrong. If I were lucky and I could eliminate one more option, then I don't even have to solve these 2 equations. I'm sure it's an easy question. I mean, you can solve the 2 equations and get the answer, but then how many of you can eliminate the options without solving the equations is the question. You're able to follow. So why did we say 22 and 29 are ruled out? See, understand, from the first equation or from the first statement, we know that mother is 5 times older than her daughter. M equals to 5D. Usually in these questions, the ages are integer values, right? Ages are generally integers. Integers, right? It cannot be a decimal value there, right? So if D is an integer, any integer multiplied by 5 should give you a multiple of 5. I can say that the mother's age should be a multiple of 5. Mother's age M here has to be a multiple of 5 because M is 5 into something. So M has to be a multiple of 5. And 22 and 29 here are not multiples of 5. Getting it? Similarly, if you could eliminate one more option, if it is not a multiple of 5, then you are done. You don't have to put, pen on paper. Now only 2 options are left. So I would prefer substituting the option and verifying rather than solving the 2 equations. Even solving equations is not complex, but why? When we can do it without solving the equations, right? So let's do that. What I will do is I'll substitute one of the options. If option 1 satisfies, then that's the answer. If it doesn't satisfy, then option 3 is the answer. So let us assume option 1 is correct. Assume option 1 is correct. So according to option 1, M is equal to 20, which means D will be equal to what? D will be equal to 4 because 5 into 4 is 20. You understand? See, he's asking mother's present age, right? So options here are talking about mother's age. So M is 20. If M is 20, then daughter is 4 years old. Right or not? 4 into 5 is 20. Now what you have to do is substitute this 20 and 4 in this equation. If it balances, that's the answer. Otherwise, option 3 is the answer. So substitute 20 plus 5, 25 equals to 3 times of D plus 5, 4 plus 5, 9. 3 into 9 is 27. Is it equal? No, it's not equal, which means option 1 is wrong. And hence option 3 is the correct answer.